Today, we're talking about a devastating event that has affected the people of Turkey, an earthquake. On the evening of February 8, 2023, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck the eastern part of the country, causing widespread damage and leaving many people injured or homeless. In this video, we'll give you the latest updates on the situation, as well as some tips on what you can do to help those affected by this natural disaster. The earthquake struck near the city of Elazığ, located in eastern Turkey. According to initial reports, the quake was felt across a large area, including the capital city of Ankara and other nearby cities. Buildings in Elazığ and the surrounding areas were severely damaged, and rescue efforts are underway to search for survivors and help those who are injured. The aftermath. The aftermath of the earthquake has been devastating for the people of Turkey. Many buildings have collapsed, and people are trapped under the rubble. Rescue workers are working tirelessly to find survivors and help those who are injured. The Turkish government has declared a state of emergency in the affected areas, and resources are being mobilized to help those in need. Helping those affected. If you're looking for ways to help those affected by the earthquake in Turkey, there are several things you can do. One option is to donate to a reputable charity organization that is working to provide aid to those in need. You can also spread awareness about the situation on social media and encourage others to help as well. Conclusion. In conclusion, the earthquake in Turkey has been a devastating event that has affected many people's lives. Our thoughts and prayers go out to all those affected, and we hope that they are able to recover from this tragedy as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.